Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world, the world of Wayne. It's Saturday, so we've got another Welcome to the Cave. Now we've got one video today, and this is Josh Warner. Josh, I'm sorry this was delayed from last week, but I think it deserved to have a whole day all for itself. Now Josh has got many collections, die-cast figures and stuff like that. I think the thing that's going to appeal to all of you, you've got to watch, is what he's done to the Eagle Moss Delorean. Absolutely amazing. And I'm going to leave it at that because Josh has done a great job doing a voiceover for this, and he's going to explain that all by himself. But thank you, Josh. Also, Josh does have a YouTube channel, so at the start of the video I'll put a link to that, but also at the end of the video you'll see that on the card that I have, the end card of my my channel, you'll see that there's a link to Josh's channel as well. I'll also put a link just up here for you as well, just so you can see, go over there and subscribe. But yeah, truly amazing. That absolutely blew me away, Josh. So I hope you enjoy it as much as me. I hope it brings a smile to your face like it did to me. I've never seen anyone do this, I have to say. So well done, Josh.
Hello everyone, my name is Josh. I'm going to show you my collection and also the workshop right now. It's called Josh Customs. I have a YouTube channel which I actually post videos right now, and I'm actually working on the Delorean, and pretty soon I'll be working on the Terminator from Agora Miles, and that's going to be coming pretty soon. And I'm going to show you the workshop right now. Okay, here is the workshop right now. I got my little Superman neon light on, but this is where I have all my tools right now till I get a toolbox to put them all in, but I know, at least I know where they are. This is to my scooter right here, my electric scooter. I made that into Ghostbusters, which I'll show you guys that in a sec. And here's my little shrine right now of Back to the Future right now. I do have Mike Lane and Model Mods. I got the tree and the flux capacitor from them. I happened to receive my battalion box a little early, but that's pretty okay. At least I got that part done. The magazines right now. There's my out of time license plate. This is my Monopoly board game Back to the Future edition. And I got the 35th anniversary edition. Maybe if I turn this on right now, it does come on. That's pretty nice. And here's my Back to the Future DeLorean ornament. And I even have the Back to the Future Nazi board game. And I even have the cartoons. This is my homemade lifestyle Ghostbusters uniform. I happen to made for Halloween. And here's some of my Superman collectibles, t-shirts. Here's my wooden edition of craftsmanship of the robotic T800 Terminator 2 hand. This is my spray booth right now that I happen to got. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to be using it pretty soon. Some of my paints, a couple paint brushes right back in there. Some more Superman memorabilia stuff. That's my mask that I use for painting. I just have it hanging on the wall. My Dremel tool set right there. This here is the neon light. That's where I have some of my, and this is where I have some of my model tools right here. Here's some parts that I happen to got from Eagle Moss. they're just sitting here waiting to be put on the car. I happen to got this assembled and test this out. It does work pretty nice. This is my Spirit Halloween Proton Pack. I custom mod myself. Took me about 6 months to do, but have a real life style right here, and it does do this. If we'll play. Well, I won't play, but this shut down. Now here's my Eagle Moss Delorean covered right now, but I won't cover it. I use my Dremel tool to polish everything out. It looks like that. It's pretty nice. Nice, good shine to it. And it's also an RC car that I happen to customize a nice mod to it, but have a little trouble turning. But if you give me a sec, I can turn it on for you, and you guys can see it to life. Okay, I kind of put the battery in. The on switch is right down here by the driver's side. And this is where the battery lays. Grab this. And it does turn the wheels. I used the original front end from the Eagle Moss kit. But as for the rear axle, I happened to got this, and it does roll. So I'm a little surprised with that. I still have to fix this rear wheel. It glued crooked, but this one I fixed. That's my dog Crypto. He don't like it because, but that is the DeLorean as far as I got to with all this stuff that has been going on. But I want to show you guys my little die-cast cars right now. Yeah, they are. I got the Supra right there from Fast and Furious. I have the 69 Charger. I even have Ecto 1 and Back to the Future. This here's my PK mirror. I kind of took it apart. I'm modding it right now. See, it's right there in pieces. But it's pretty nice. And this, hopefully I'll play the theme. There it goes. And if I turn this on with 2, it does have that. But the pack itself is like 80% scale, but this is 100% scale, so you can see the difference in size. But That's my Avengers Endgame ring that I got about a year ago, and my Orange County Chopper t-shirts. So now I'll take you out to show you my Superman collection. Now, starting in my bedroom, here's my Superman ornaments. This is the first one that I started to collect, and this was the one that started the whole entire collection. And here's my dog Crypto's Halloween costume. They were a couple years ago. Here's some more. It's still in the package. My Superman 10 wall art. And move over here, and here's my collection of Superman comic books that my dad got me for Christmas, for my birthday, about a couple years ago. And here's another 10. And coming out here, here's a couple wall arts. My Man of Steel poster right here. And right up here is my Superman fishing lure my dad got for me for my birthday about 4 years ago. And here's my collection of Superman belt buckles. These two are lighters, but I did not fill them up yet. I'll probably never fill them up. Another old 10. And here's my Hot Wheels collection right here in my living room. And here is some more Superman merch that I purchased. This is a memorial plaque of my dog Tobe. He died in '03. You can barely see it. Got some hats right here of my collection. Some more Hot Wheels Superman cars right there. And some more hats. Even some more merch that's right here. A couple of my wallets. A fridge spinner. Some more hats. And this here is my wall charger. I kind of try to make it look like more into a containment unit from Ghostbusters. Once I get a 3D printer, it'll be a lot more better. It's for this right here. This is my Tao Ghostbusters theme bike right here. I have some more hats up here. And over here I got more, so one more hat, a couple t-shirts, nice little wall art right here, and I even got some more. Got my pocket watch right there, a Delorean 1/64 scale train. Still has a original box. My movie collection. My Ghostbusters collection right here. And I even have some more merch right down here. Some movies. I got 3 lunch boxes. Even the original Christopher Reeve one. Couple ornaments right here. And I even got some more merch right up here, and a Monopoly board game still in the original package. And I even have my retro games right here. Hope you guys like this collection and stay safe.
See, what did I tell you, huh? That was pretty amazing, wasn't it? Now listen, tomorrow we've got Eric Lorkey and we've got Lee Hawks. That's the man caves tomorrow, and I'll give you instructions tomorrow how you can submit your man cave if you want to get yours featured yourself. But I really do hope you like that video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.